I am so excited to bring you this brand new home in Lone Tree, Colorado. Now, this home is spectacular. It is a modern build with a modern twist on it, and it is amazing, which is why I'm so excited. Now, this model that we're gonna go see can be built with 3 to 5 bedrooms. It also has a main floor office and an upstairs loft. Now, it can be built with 2.5 to 4.5 bathrooms, and it has a 2-car attached garage. And this property, depending on how you build it out, can be 2,700 square feet finished up to 3,700 square feet finished. So there's lots of room in this property. Now, before we go check it out, I want to introduce myself. My name is Kathy Hansen. I'm a local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom. I've raised all of my kids right here in the Denver suburbs. Now, I love making these videos for you, but what I love more is helping you with your real estate needs. So if I can help you make that move to the Denver, Colorado area smooth and easy, I would love to do that. Or if I can be a resource for you, answer some questions about the area, or watch some of my videos. I have lots of videos all about moving to the Denver metro area. Please do that. Now, my number and my information is all listed below in the details section and the comment section. And I'm the one who does answer the phones, the texts, the emails. So go ahead and reach out to me on any of those methods, whatever is easiest for you. Now, stick around after we take this tour because I'm going to tell you all about this new community. So let's go check this one out. what did you think about that home? Was it not gorgeous? How did you feel about that catwalk with the glass or plexiglass on the floor that you could see down to the level below you? I'm not sure how I feel about that. It would make me scared every day, but I'm sure you get used to it. Anyway, this home is located in the Lyric at Ridgegate community, and this is a brand new community in Lone Tree, Colorado. Now, Lone Tree has a 20-year plan for this section of Lone Tree, so it is going to be completely built out. Now, this community, the Lyric at Ridgegate, there's a few different builders in there. There's a few different types of properties in there, but you can see this one built by Infinity Properties. Well, they didn't miss a beat, nor did they skimp on any upgrades. Now I know the models are completely upgraded and you have to pay for some of that stuff, that's for sure, but this home was beautiful. I think we can all agree on that. Now this community, the Lyric at Ridgegate, once it's completely built out, there's gonna be a restaurant there and a coffee shop, which is gonna be like the neighborhood hub of the community. Now there's also an outdoor pool, there's also fitness centers, indoor and outdoor recreation areas, and there will be 3 parks when this community is completely built. And there's over 380 acres of open space, parks, and trails. So this community has it all. One of those communities where you can stay right in the community to get all of your recreation or your coffee shop or your restaurant right there close to home. Now the schools in this community are Douglas County schools, and they are always ranked in the top 10% in the entire state of Colorado. So the school system there is a good one. Now what's also great about this community is the location. It's located right off of Interstate 25, or I-25 as we call it. I-25 runs the entire length of the state of Colorado. So you can hop on I-25 and get up to downtown Denver in about 25-30 minutes, depending on traffic. Or there are light rail stops right there in Lone Tree that you can take the light rail right up to downtown Denver if you work up there. Now, Denver Tech Center is closer than downtown Denver, and your commute there is going to be about 15 minutes, 15, maybe 20 minutes, again, depending on traffic. Another spot with lots of employers, local, national, international employers are located there in the Denver Tech Center. Now, this community, Lyric at Ridgegate, it's also close to the humongous Charles Schwab campus. So if you're in the financial industry, Charles Schwab is located just on the other side of I-25. There is also Kiewit, I think that's how you say it, construction company. Their headquarters or regional headquarters are also located right here in Lone Tree. And then we have the Skyridge Medical Center, which is a big regional hospital for the area. Now, surrounding Skyridge, there are also lots of other medical facilities right around there. So if you're in the medical field, this might be a good spot for you. So with the location, with the big employers around, with all of the amenities here in the community, and this awesome home built by Infinity Properties, what's not to love? So if you're interested in this property, or you want to schedule a private tour, or you're just interested in Lyric at Ridgegate and want to see some other builders out there, or maybe other parts of Lone Tree or the Denver metro area, I would love to help you make that happen. Again, my name is Kathy Hansen. I'm a local area realtor. I'm also a suburban mom, and here is all of my contact information. So please reach out if I can help you in any way. Now that's all that I have for you today. If you want more information about Lone Tree, well, go ahead and check out this video right here. I did a video, kind of a blog tour, all about Lone Tree, Colorado, and here it is. I will see you right over there.